Hi everybody, this is a little bit more practice with compound sentences. I wanted to introduce something else though that might help you out with this. When I think about coordinating conjunctions, I think of the word FANBOYS. FANBOYS is just an acronym. It's the first letters of all of our coordinating conjunctions that are joined together to create one word, FANBOYS. Okay, so F for for. We've got B for but. Whoops. Sorry. We have A for and. We've got N for nor. We've got B for but. We've got O for or. We've got Y for yet, and we've got S for so. Okay, FANBOYS. For, and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, Y, yet, S, so. Okay, those are our FANBOYS. So think about that acronym as you search for your FANBOYS, your coordinating conjunctions in these sentences to figure out how to punctuate them correctly, okay? So let's take a look at the first one. The directions say to add commas where they belong in the compound sentences. Keep in mind the word FANBOYS to help you look for those coordinating conjunctions. All right, I don't like to cook, so my husband always makes dinner. All right, FANBOYS. So is one of our FANBOYS, okay? That is our S in FANBOYS. Now, there's our coordinating conjunction. Let's check either side to make sure that we have two independent clauses. I don't like to cook. Yep, that stands alone by itself. I do not like is our verb phrase. Good. All right. My husband always makes dinner. Yep, we've got our subject, my husband. We've got the verb makes. Good. All right. Those are two independent clauses joined together by a FANBOY. So, all right. So we need a comma before our coordinating conjunction. Comma, coordinating conjunction. The comma always comes before our coordinating conjunction. Comma, so. Let's do one more. I need to go to the library, but it's not open today. Okay, we need to check out and try to find one of our FANBOYs. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. But is our FANBOY here. It's joining these two independent clauses together. I need to go to the library. Yep, that makes sense by itself as a sentence. Okay, I need to go is our verb phrase. Good. Now we have this side. It's not open today. It, okay, it, and then that's our subject, and then our verb phrase is not. Okay, that is our verb phrase on this side. So we've got two independent clauses joined together by a comma and coordinating conjunction. Okay, that's what you need to do for the rest of them. Just put the commas where they belong before our coordinating conjunctions, and make sure you can use this as a reference for yourself.